This video I will explain how to check if your Google Pay number is genuine. Before sending money to anyone on Google Pay, it is important to confirm that the mobile number or UPI ID you are paying is correct and belongs to the real person or business. This helps you to avoid mistakes, scams, and wrong payments. You have to enter the number in Google Pay and check the verified name. When you type mobile number in Google Pay, the app automatically shows the account holder's name. This name comes directly from the bank, not from the person. This is the most reliable check. Always ask yourself, does the name match the person I want to pay? Does the spelling look correct? Do I recognize the name? If the name looks different or suspicious, do not continue. You can confirm the number directly with the person. If the payment is important, ask the person to confirm their registered mobile number, UPI ID, exact spelling. People often share wrong digits by mistake. So always double check by reading the number back to them. You can check their Google Pay profile if they are in your contacts. If the number is saved in your phone, Google Pay will show their profile picture, name, and sometimes verified badge or business label if it is a shop. A genuine profile usually has a proper name, consistent details, and clear information. If something looks incomplete or fake, be careful. You have to use the QR code from a trusted source. If you are paying at a shop or to a new person, scan their QR code instead of manually typing the number. But after scanning, always check the name shown on the screen. Do not pay if the name does not match the shop, the QR code looks replaced or damaged. Someone asks you to ignore the displayed name. Always trust the name shown by the Google Pay, not what someone verbally says. You can send the small test amount first. If you are unsure whether the number is correct, send a small test amount like 1 or 2 rupees and ask the person if they received it. If they received it, then the number is genuine. If not, stop and recheck the details. You have to avoid paying through links sent on chat or SMS. Scammers often send fake payment links, and these links may show a wrong name or direct you to a fake page. Always enter the number manually inside the Google Pay. Do not click or pay using random links. You have to watch for warning signs. You have to be careful if you notice the name shown does not match what the person told you. The person tells you to ignore the displayed name. The profile looks incomplete or unknown. The number appears with unusual characters or formatting. The person is forcing you to pay quickly. These are the signs that number might not be genuine. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.